Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use PicsArt Outline. As you know, this is a new effects that PicsArt is providing for us. So now I will teach you how to use Outline for PicsArt. So now you have to open your application, PicsArt application, and then click on the plus button, and you have to choose any of your picture which you are going to edit. I will choose this, and now you have to scroll this way, and you can see there a draw icon. Click on the draw icon and press on draw here. So now you can see the brush and the eraser. So now you have to click on the brush, and then you can manage the capability of the brush here. You can adjust the size also. You have to put on 90. Okay, set. And on the left hand side, if you press here, you can choose your color here, but I will choose the white color. I'll choose white. So now just drag the picture like this, and now you can draw the outline from here. You can just draw the outline like this. Draw the outline. Just draw the outline like this. It's done. So easy. So now you have to click on the right button here, and then add arrow, and now you have to press on save. This is how you can edit outline on PicsArt application. Thanks for watching.